In our previous class we discussed the topic, features of a system unit. In today's class we will be learning, features of a keyboard. A keyboard is an input device used for typing data into computer. It is the primary device used to enter text. A keyboard typically contains keys for individual letters, numbers and special characters, as well as keys for specific functions. Features of a keyboard. It is rectangular in shape. It has numbers and alphabet keys. It has symbols on it. It has many keys. Uses of a keyboard. It is used for typing. It is used for giving command to the computer. It is used for scrolling. It can be used to save documents. It is used for playing computer games. So, keyboard is one of the most used input devices for computers. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.